Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix locked touchpad on ACER Chromebook Spin 713. So, if your touchpad isn't working and it gives you no effect when you're trying to use it, first of all, make sure that it wasn't disabled via a shortcut. Or just press this shortcut once on your keyboard. The shortcut for disabling your touchpad in case debugging shortcuts are enabled is Shift, Search, and P. Press simultaneously. If your touchpad starts working after that, then the problem should be resolved. But if it doesn't, then you should get an external mouse, grab it. Then we're gonna have to go, or if you don't have an external mouse, just use touchpad. I'm gonna use an external mouse so that you can see better. You're gonna have to go to the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen, then click the gear icon to open settings. Then you're gonna have to go to accessibility on the sidebar. Here you're gonna have to select cursor and touchpad, then scroll down to disable built-in touchpad and change the value next to this option to never. So after that, your touchpad should start working again. But if it didn't, what we can do instead is just hold down the power button on the right edge of the laptop for about a couple of seconds until the screen goes off, and then wait for a moment and then turn our device on again. And after that, the touchpad should return back to normal. Next, if your touchpad didn't start working, what we can do is go back to the control center, then open settings, scroll down to system preferences on the sidebar, scroll down to safety reset and click safety reset right here. Then confirm, then click done and then try using your touchpad once again. And if it's still not working, then we can perform a factory reset operation. Just make sure that you back up all the files you have stored on your device locally to your Google Drive folder. And then we're gonna have to go to the control center again, open settings, and then go to system preferences, select reset next to Powerwash, and confirm the choice both here and on the following page that you'll see once your device is restarted. And if after that you still have issues with your touchpad, you should definitely reach out to Acer customer support service and notify them about this issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.